Hey Julia, hi. So, first of all, let me tell you a huge thank you for our session. Everything just now is in order and everything on the shelves. Before it was just a huge mess. I had a lot of ideas and thoughts, and that my intention was to figure out my niche, and what can I help people with, specifically based on what human design has to say about it. And as we spoke, during the session, that I can work with these people and that niche, and do this and that. But I I noticed that it, it's not going anywhere because I'm just spinning my wheels and doing different things. So after the session, and oh my god, like I'm still watching, our Zoom session, because every time I watch, I see something new that I missed during the session, and the puzzle came up together right now. So I know that, like, specifically, and the funny thing was that it resonated with me. Like I had chills kind of thing, and that's for me as generator. It meant, oh yes, that's the right thing. So figure out the niche, I guess, was my biggest concern and my painful spot. And with your session, and I gotta tell you that before our session, I was trying to do it on my own, but oh my god, the amount of information. So for me, it was like reading a space map, something like this. And the way you did it, it was just so, on point, everything step by step. You told me everything that like I needed to do. It was so easy. Like I had readings before, but I don't know, for me, it was just like a lot of information, but I don't know, the way you do it is just differently. I got it. After our session, I was like, I got it. And I felt that confidence that, yes, it was amazing. Thank you so much. Definitely, that was a lot of information. That's why I'm still like watching our Zoom session. But it helped me tremendously. Like I finally put together like my, the profile and what I'm doing, and I'm reaching out to people in that space, and I see how people, like, literally after the session I posted something and I saw an enormous amount of response. So I'm like, got it. So Julia, thank you so much. You're my angel. You're my savior. Thank you. I love you.